can I say about the market? All right, so in my opinion, you got to look at this either two ways, right? Of course, you're either bullish or you're bearish, or you're looking at this as opportunity or doom and gloom. It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'm back with another one. In this video, we're going to be talking about the current market, in my opinion, my outlook on the market. So guys, if you like these type of videos, make sure that you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and keep your favorite crypto and door-to-door entrepreneur inside the algorithms. All right, so let's get straight into it. Let me make sure my mic here, you can hear me full and clear. All right. Now, the market, in my opinion, all right, this is just my opinion, guys, right? The market, you can't deny that there's a cloud of bearish momentum over us, right? And that's cool. That's cool because I said in the beginning of this video, you're either going to look at this as an opportunity and doom and gloom. Now, before we can give an outlook on, in my opinion, on the market, let's talk about why the market is dumping, right? We got a great post here by Dunks, pretty much explaining you everything. I'll go through everything very, very quickly and try to give my opinion on it. So, Jump actively unwinding their crypto holdings, right? If you don't know, this is the Jump Crypto, right? They got a whole bunch of one of those companies that got a whole bunch of crypto that got liquidated and bankrupt and all extra stuff, right? At the end of the day, they're selling off altcoins, they're selling off their entire crypto portfolio, and people don't like it. All right, whistleblowers hinted FTX still has 8% of Solana's supply in hidden wallets, so we're seeing Sol get a little bit of FUD here. The people are still saying that Sam and them guys still got 8% of Solana in hidden wallets, right? Warren Buffett dumped more stocks this quarter than ever before. Now this is new, right? This is one of those ones where you got to think like, does Warren Buffett know something is about to happen? Because for him to dump like $300 million in Apple stock, right, one of the best performing tech stocks, is absolutely insane. And this is one of those things where I was talking about the Discord, guys, join the Discord or the Patreon, and I was saying like how it's very important to have your own opinion on the market, right, based on your situation. So first and foremost, this is not financial advice, but I personally never just put my entire net worth in crypto. I'm very diverse, but I'm also very conservative, guys. I think it's very, very important that you persevere your capital, especially in today's time. I was telling a story in a Discord how I went to like 3 grocery stores today preparing for the storm, right? And each grocery store had one register open, right? And these people weren't getting any help. And I'm like, it dawned on me like, okay, unemployment numbers are rising. Let me know if it's like that in your city or state. But Warren Buffett seems to be dumping his stock. So this is eye-opening, right? Because a lot of people like to follow the smart money, right? Follow the greats, right? This guy has made tons of money being one of the greatest, per se, traders of all time. And the thing about this, right? This is the thing, right? If he feels like something is coming, hey, maybe there's something coming. Where there's smoke, there's fire, right? World War III fears spiked after Israel assassinated several high-profile people out there. So it's been some tension in the world, right? And on this channel, we preach peace and positivity. So, hopefully that thing figures out, but it's causing FUD inside the market. Of course, you got to think that's going to cause FUD, right? Kamala strong polling numbers diminish the chances of an overly pro-crypto candidate winning and increased chances of Elizabeth Warren and Gary Gensler retaining positions of authority in the U.S. government. This is a hot one off the press, right? Because a lot of people thought Kamala was going to come out here and try to compete with Trump being pro-crypto, but it seemed that she has stuck to her stances, and she feels like maybe she can win the presidential election without crypto people, right? Which is crazy. So if you in crypto, again, guys, you do what you do, right? I'm not here to influence anybody, okay? You guys got to do what you do. But if you're in crypto, you're probably, looking, you're probably like, okay, we would prefer somebody that's pro-crypto to be in office, right? Japan raised interest rates, nuked their stock market, sending ripples waves through the global economy. So they haven't raised interest rates in years. They did it a few days ago, and it caused the yen to rise, right? Which is terrible for risk on assets. A lot of people are saying that the companies in Japan could sell off their stocks, sell off their crypto, and we got to think, especially being Jasmy holders, could this affect Jasmy? So that's another thing that's kind of like going on in the market. U.S. Fed didn't cut rates ahead of bad ISM and jobs data that indicate likely a recession. So people feel like Jay Powell should have cut this meeting, right? People say, hey, he dropped the ball. Like, this should have happened. He's waiting too long. But sorry to be the bearer of bad news, guys. Even when it does cut, normally we dumb, right? There's history. There's multiple pictures, media. Go check it out, guys. Go look at the charts. Literally, when we get the Fed cut, we dump until we get quantitative easing, which is the Fed turning on the money printer, right? So necessarily a Fed cut doesn't mean the market is just going to jump and go bullish, right? That means that something is going wrong in the economy, right? That there could be a looming recession. This is why it's always great to kind of like prepare for the worst, right? I'd rather prepare for the worst, so if that opportunity is there, I have capital to inject in the market, right? I don't want to lose all my capital just quickly DCAing and we keep going down. And now I learned that from the last cycle, right? I was that guy that listened to my favorite YouTuber, buy the dip, and it just kept dipping. So patience is a virtue in crypto, guys. Let the market come to you. Let the market come to you, right? That's how I look at it, right? My lips is dry. Excuse me. I know I keep licking my lips, but they're dry right now. I'm trying to do this video. Grayscale selling ETH and suppressing impact of ETH ETFs. We already know, we talked about that so many times. They got to convert to spot here. So they're running out of ETH to sell, right? At some point, those outflows start to die down, and then we'll start to see more inflow. So nothing to worry about there. And the same thing with Mt. Gox. Mt. Gox executors spook markets by moving large quantities of Bitcoin from cold storage. Same thing there, right? They're coming to the end of their bag. Now, they got a little bit more left than Grayscale, right? I don't want to lead anybody on, but they're coming to the end of their bag. So at some point, those creditors will be taken care of, and hopefully they don't buy on selling the dip, baby. Sell the top, not the bottom. What Jim Crater tweeted, he's bullish on NASDAQ, right? And now people are saying stocks is going to crash. NASDAQ is going to crash. Crypto is going to crash. Meet Kevin is out there saying he rather prepare for a recession, right? He say, hey, looking at August like it could be a pretty rocky month, right? But for opportunists, anybody that's looking to get into the market, right? Or anybody that's looking to add to their bags, guys, the facts is crypto is growing faster than the internet. Great chart here from my guy, Lark Davis. Crypto is growing fast, outgrowing the internet, right? Cell phones, things of that sort. Crypto is right on pace with some of the biggest inventions of all time. And this is why, when you look at the market like this, right? And I want to go over some of my sentiment checkers while I'm doing this, guys. Market red across the board, BTC 58, Ethereum 2700. We can go check out a few of our sentiment checkers, like the Fear and Greed Index is a great one. That is at 34, right? Remember when I said when all of them are aligned in a bull market, in a bullish trend, so we want to make sure the trend is still bullish. This is a great opportunity for those who have extra capital. If you got it. If you don't got it, you don't got it. Go get it, right? Go to work, go get it, right? So the Fear and Greed Index is sitting here at 34. That's what I'm talking about, right? The lower that get, the better the opportunity in a bullish market. We're closer to Bitcoin season than altcoin season. We've broken our Bitcoin season support band here, so now we're hanging around down here. Always a good opportunity to buy in a bullish market, okay? Not if this is a bear market. Again, I don't want to speak on whether we're about to enter in a bear market or anything like that, but my personal opinion is I think maybe mid 2025, Q3 2025, that's when we see kind of like the end of the bullish run. I don't think it's over with, and hopefully it's not, right? I want it to keep going. If it is, like I said, I'm a conservative, so I'm prepared for either or. In the crypto sentiment, also touching our line here. So whenever you DCA, when all three of those indicators are bearish, and we're in a bullish trend, it's always been a great time to add to your bags, okay? Again, if you don't got it, you don't got it. Guys, we could go lower. There's tension all across the world. I want to make that clear, okay? There is tension going on all across the world, and we are the economy is showing some cracks, right? But remember, when they say we're in a recession, it means we've been in a recession for 3 to 6 months when they say it. So now everybody's committing to recession means we're been in recession, so we're a little bit further in it than most people would think. And the same thing like the bull run, we just didn't hop in it, right? We're a little bit more further in it than many would think. So properly prepare, go hard, preserve your capital. I don't think this is the time where you want to just be a super degen with the Bitcoin dominance rising, right? Out here chasing super degen stuff, right? Get your convictional bag together. Figure it out, man. Create a strategy and stick to it, right? And I think there's some strength in the market. You want to pay attention to the strength in the market. And you already know the coins. I talk about it all the time. If you're new to the channel, just check out some of my content. We talk about the strongest coins in the market all the time. That's what I got, guys. That's what's happening in the market across the board. Let me know your opinion. What is your opinion? What did you think? You feel me? Whoo! Gotta look at the others. It's looking crazy. Guys, let me know what you think. It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'll see you in the next one.